Navigating the world of global compliance is increasingly complex. If global compliance is your responsibility, you need an effective way to reduce risk, control costs, and simplify operations. There's time zone, language, and culture issues, a huge variety of local regulations, and difficult communications across multiple parties. It's essential that you have an experienced partner with a global reach and the ability to customize solutions for your specific needs. That's why over 65% of global Fortune 500 companies rely on CT for their compliance needs. Our coordinated team of experts will make sure you stay compliant in over 80 countries. We cover the globe, but don't worry, there's only one number you need for complete service. When you work with us, we address your specific needs, no matter where you do business. Whether it's a certificate of status needed on short notice from Australia or annual compliance management for Switzerland, CT's got you covered. This saves you precious time and keeps your compliance management efficient and consistent. When it comes to global compliance, there's no such thing as a one-size-fits-all solution. From incorporation to dissolution, and from day-to-day document retrieval and legalizations to major mergers and acquisitions, you'll have the right support at every point of the entity lifecycle. Global business success requires global expertise, so work with a partner you already know and trust. CT helps businesses and law firms around the world manage their most critical business and legal compliance responsibilities. Some of our most popular services are Certificate of Good Standing, certified copies of formation documents, legalization of documents, corporate secretarial services, company health checks, and registered office. With over 120 years of experience in governance, compliance, and regulation, we offer unrivaled know-how. To learn more about how we can help you better manage your global compliance needs, contact us at 844-416-9142 or go to ctcorporation.com/global corporate services.